Ploceus philippinus, commonly known as the bay weaver, is indeed known for building intricate and beautifully woven nests. These small birds are native to South and Southeast Asia, and they are particularly famous for their elaborate nesting behavior. Male Baya weavers are the primary architects of these nests, and they construct them to attract females during the breeding season. The nests are typically woven using long strips of grass, leaves, and other plant materials. The male weaver takes great care in selecting a suitable location for the nest, often at the end of a branch, where it hangs downward. The construction of the nest involves an impressive weaving technique, where the male bird skillfully interlaces and knots the plant materials to create a secure and intricate structure. The nests can vary in size and shape, but they commonly have a flask-like or gourd-like appearance with a downward-facing entrance. Apart from their aesthetic appeal, the nests serve functional purposes as well. They provide a safe and protected space for the female to lay eggs and raise their chicks. The intricacy of the weaving also acts as a deterrent to predators, making it challenging for them to access the nest. The nesting behavior of Baya weavers is a fascinating example of avian architecture and is often studied by ornithologists and bird enthusiasts. These intricate nests showcase the ingenuity and craftsmanship of these small birds in creating a safe and visually stunning environment for their offspring. Your like, share, and subscribe is my motivating. Thank you very much.